So this morning the power company's down here with cranes trimming all along these power lines. Okay, and I heard Taylor, this dude right here, was out here going behind them clearing the stuff. And we had this big tree from a tornado a year or so ago that had fallen, this huge tree, and it had fallen right across our dock. That's our dock down there. It broke our dock all up and has been laying on that dock for over a year. That's the boat ramp right through there. You can hardly see the boat ramp. And there was a huge tree laying across the boat ramp, and there was a tree about 2-3 foot thick laying halfway up that ramp, and he pulled it up the ramp for me, pulled it over there, and we made a couple cuts in this huge oak tree here, and he's gonna pull this thing down, and we're in the process of getting the rest of this out of here. But I'm gonna see if I can't get him to pull this thing out too, in which case maybe I give him a little more. All right. Yeah, we broke a chain. Actually, we broke a cable, but we got enough chain and enough cable, I think, to pull these pieces out. And good old Taylor there, he knows how to do this. It's a difficult job, and he's making it happen. Love it. So let's see how he's going to get this 60-foot Douglas fir out of the lake. First thing he's doing is he's lifting it up high, way high, and get it off that bulkhead. We know that we're going to crack the top of that bulkhead getting out of there. I told him that was all right. Look at that. But he's just so now look at him back up here, and he's going to come over, and he makes this look really, really easy. Look at the teeth on the driver's side of this thing, on the left side. He spins this thing and drops it right so those teeth are right on it. He made that look easy, but it's not. And he grabbed it just right, and he's pulling it back. That is a 60-foot Douglas fir. I thought we were going to have to use a crane to get it out of there. I did not think that we could get that done. And this dude just makes everything look so easy. And it's just not. You know, it's not just working the controls of that thing, it's knowing how to approach the job so that you can succeed. And now he's gonna come around and get it in the middle and lift it up and move it over just a little bit. And what he's doing here is keeping it from messing up that bulkhead. He just knows exactly what he's doing. It's a pleasure to watch somebody like that work, man. And you know, you can just do things halfway, or you can just be a real professional at what you do. And this is the best operator, best equipment operator I've ever witnessed. I mean, he just flat knows his stuff, and he's efficient. He gets stuff done quick because he positions that thing on his first try, you know. And now watch here, he's going to try to pull it, and the thing is slick, and so it goes between the tongs, it goes between the teeth on that. So watch what he does real quick. He's going to twist that grapple. Hear it crunch a little bit. He twists it to put tension on it, and so that it would bite down and grab it so he could pull it out. Man, that is stuff he just makes it look easy, but this is stuff you can't do. I would have one heck of a time trying to get that thing out of there if I had rented the same equipment that he's using. He chops it up for us, and I just started, you know, I brought that chainsaw down. He was just doing a better job of it than I was, and I just let him do the chainsaw. And he did everything just ideally. And I'm sitting there thinking, look at the size of the chunks he's cutting this thing. how's he going to get these out of here? And watch what he does with the skid steer and the grapple, picking these pieces up, and they're way too big to fit between the trees, but watch how he gets between the trees. Again, he's just going to make it look easy. And he saved us a lot of time and money on this, and we really, really appreciate this guy that is out here clearing this stuff out from under the power lines. We really appreciate you. Oh boy, Taylor's taking care of us today. He said his granddaddy was so good on the equipment he could take your hat off. He said his granddaddy could open a beer with one of these things. This dude absolutely knows his business. He's taking it all the way out of here for us. All the way up the hill. I mean, even if we did get it out of there, which I thought was going to take a crane, it's like, once we got it out, then what? Unbelievable. Boy, Taylor. What you're going to see him do here, there's a little piece here that's about 3 inches in diameter, 2-3 inches in diameter, and he's going to pick it up like a chopsticks. He picked it. It's unbelievable.
Look at that. Picked it up like chopsticks.
This is not his first day on the job. What a heck of a deal.